Yeah, not your hand, your finger.
Later, I'm good. I will close live.
No, not now. Okay, one game.
Start يعني. Start.
Okay, دوستانو يو game دينا قتل دي بوش please تول جسوك ناسي full double tape راكي. These are the funny punishment come. One and done game here, Bambi. Okay.
Okay, my lady. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, my chela, my chela. Thank you so much, all peoples. Thank you so much. Unknown, big low, bro. Thank you so much, dostano. Just so come nase one by one. The master of gifting, nade pakar. Please, pasharika by tool double tape.
Why this is double tap?
Yeah, this is my double tape. I will open now your double. Unknown, thank you, Jan. Dostano, sirf gifting na. Tool pasharika by double tape. Okay, Saida. Yavi gintil raglen. Please, pasharika asara game. Okay.
What is reason?
Hey, Bambi. Apsh. يا نشي ديرة بدخكاري.
Why is this guy gifting to you? What is the reason? He likes you.
Yeah, of course he likes me because I'm a comedian and I love them all. They are my family.
Achoo.
Yeah, because you making double tape and after you win you go.
I'm gonna slap your shackle right now.
No, you go and your minaval you let them away. So you full catch, hamara full pack.
You full catch, I mean full pack. What's that?
The thing is Sunday, come respect the versa Sunday.
Me not respect you. Why I respect you?
Hey, Bambi, your respect is so beautiful. Kasam say, your respect is so beautiful.
Tell your gifter this unknown play for you 5,000. He has 33 level. Okay.
Shatsi, he can play everything for me, but
why you call him Shatsi? It's me, my love. Why you calling Shatsi?
Can you understand Shatsi?
Always
this is German word.
Always I live Germany also. This is me, my love. Why you say my love?
Bambi, you live in Germany?
Walla, Bielefeld. Leverkusen.
In Bielefeld. कलवा मिला अभी कलवा खाऊ ए बम्बी कब करेंगे हम बिलेफेल्ड के नजदीक है मैं कोलोन में हूँ तुम क्यों नहीं बताती मैं तो सोचता था कि तुम दुबई में हो
yes I live in now Dubai.
Yo, when I'm making now punishment I'm come to Bielefeld to your home and we will do open double.
Listen, why you call this him Shatsi first of all? Why you call him violent? This your love?
Shatsi, no. I called him you, Shatsi. You. Khan, thank you. Safi Waha, thank you so much. Dostano told my Grisha Sumra Nasi double open kaise. There is a big love, big respect. Kom. Dostano ke nahi raha sir Saida. Mora yaar kasam de agar double umra le kula unu ko yaar tumra khalak nasi yaar what is this?
Him Shatsi. Imagine.
Hey, Bambi, come to my home, please.
What are you talking about?
Ja, ich lade dich ein. Komm zu mir zum Wochenende. Du kannst ja hier bei mir wohnen.
You're talking very nice Germany. How you learn Germany?
Yeah, because I started here. I'm working here, Shatsi.
How many years? You was born in there or you just learning from? Where's your gift?
No, I'm not born here in Germany, but I can speak very well German language.
Okay, where's your gifter? Only 700? Only small score?
Khan, thank you. Hey, this is no. Don't give me a challenge, okay? Dostano, please. Sirf 2000 barabar kai.
Your gifter 34 level, Khan and unknown. They give you.
Okay, no problem. Why you are checking my peoples and their levels? Why?
They have 34, 33 level. What is this 900? 5,000.
No problem. This is my first game. I just came now, Bambi. You know, unknown. Thank you so much, bro. That dera kachara da khalgula challenge na war kai. That me magia da.
He's your brother, Africa.
They are my everything. They are my friends and family. Come. I speak to you. Come.
Okay, Shakti, here I come.
Come, I will open now your double. Come.
You can't.
Come to me. Come. Come on, baby. Come.
You don't have.
क्यों डर रही हो मुझसे हाँ?
Guys, 10 seconds. You don't have how I ask question, right? Guys, last second.
Yeah, just play with me one game again.
Okay, I will play. Tell your gifters play 5,000. It's not 3,000 punishment, okay? Your gifters small.
دوستانو thank you so much تاسو ما gifting unknown thank you so much خان او نور ډیر ملګری خدا 5000 یار سوري یو گیم بل کو سیدا زما سم خیال بوستر ملاو شو او نو بوستر ملاو نشو
Then they give you lion.
hey no line but Bambi my bumper just listen to me okay you have to do the punishment big love big respect your first punishment second punishment typically third punishment back sit up
Mary Galston, first you get the score, okay? Bakwas. Double step.
I will get it no problem